Let's be honest. When most people hear granny squares, they think of dusty blankets and the back of sofa. But look at this right now. Crochet isn't just a hobby, it's a massive trend on Etsy and Shopify. Why? Because in the world of fast fashion, people are starving for something that feels human. A granny square vest is wearable art. It's modular, it's sustainable. Today I am going to show you exactly how to take this traditional technique and turn it into a high demand product for your online shop. Stick around because we are moving from granny square house to boutique chic in 5 minutes flat. First up, let's talk about the minimalist. If you want to sell on Shopify, you need to appeal to the capsule wardrobe crowd. Instead of rainbow of color, try a monochromatic palette. Think cream on cream or wearing shades of oatmeal. By using a single color but wearing the texture of the yarn, maybe a fluffy mohair mixed with a crisp cotton, you create a vest that looks expansive. These sells incredibly well as layering pieces for office wear or brunch. Notice the fit here. We are looking at cropped length and clean ribbed borders. It's sophisticated, it's subtle, and it's bestseller. Now let's flip the script. Etsy loves a personality, and nothing has more personality than the 70s revival. This is where you play with sunflower, artificial flowers, and bold contrasting borders. The trick to make these look professional and not messy is color theory. Use a dark anchor color like black or navy to frame the bright squares. Pro tip for sellers, give these vests names. Don't just call it a crochet vest, call it the Farah Flare vest, the electric daisy waistcoat. You aren't just selling stitches, you are selling a vibe for summer festival or vintage theme photoshoot. The secret to selling these online isn't just crochet, it's the story. When you post your items, show the process. Show the pile of squares before they are joined. Whether you are leaning into the cozy minimalist or vintage rock star, remember that people buy from you because they can't find your soul in a big boss retail store. So grab your hook, pick your palette, and start squaring up. Which of these styles are you going to drop in your shop first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more design inspiration. Now go create something beautiful. Till then, take care of yourself and must remember me in your prayers. I'm going to make some beautiful inspiration videos. Till then, make yourself happy with the hooks and inspirations in my other videos. Hope so you enjoyed my these collection videos.